Hello everyone. The point of sale automated promotional message on a receipt module helps user to customize and promotional message based on the various criteria and rules and have them automatically printed on the point of sale receipt. Now let's get into the point of sale and see how we can do that. So for that let me get into the point of sale. Under the configuration tab we can see an point of sale promo message menu. We need to get into that menu where we can create a new promo messages by using the create option which is available here, and these are the messages that I have already created. So let me get into one of the message that I have already created. Okay, so from here in the form page we need to add a title first, and along with that here we can see and types of criteria. So these are the rules that we have already generated. Okay, so from here there are some of the rules that you can see in here. So the first one is, and for every new customer, so it will show a promo message for an order. If we have created a new customer, it will show an message which we have described in the description. Okay, and also we can see, and for every X order for the point of sale session, on which order we need to display and promo message which we have mentioned in this particular description. So we need to mention an order number right away here. Okay, and also we have the other options like for first X customer for point of sale session, the first five customers of this particular session X can see and promo message which we have added in the description. Okay, now let's get into the next one. So from here can see and selected items. So from here, if we have uses the selected items, you need to display and selected item, and we need to give and promo message in the description. For those items, it will show and promo message like this. Okay, and like the same way we can do this for a category wise, and also we can do this for every order. So for every order, if you need any promo message, you can use an every order right away here, and also you can use an specific date. So within the date, if you have placed any order, it will show and promo message which we have mentioned the description will be there in the receipt. Okay, so from here you can see this is the one which I have created. So I have created for an selected item, and I have selected and flip over as a product. And also I have created another one which is a category for selected category which is in chair. Okay, so let's check how it actually works by duplicating this tab. Let me get into the point of sale now. Okay, let's open a new session. Now let's start this by placing a normal order. So without choosing any of the product that we have already chosen, right? So let's choose one of the product, and from here you can see if I validate it, there is a no promo message you can see in this particular receipt. Now let's choose and category wise. So for example, I have chosen and category wise. So from here you can see I have chosen and category as a chair. So for this there will be a message named new promo message, right? So let's choose an product from the chair category, and from here let's choose any one of the customer, and from here let's do the payment now. Okay, let's validate it. So from here you can see for the category I have chosen a chair, so it will show an promo message which I have mentioned in the description, as well as the title will be here in the name of for category, right? Like the same way, let's place an order for an product which I have mentioned as a promo product, like which is and flip over. Okay, so let's search for that particular product right away here. Okay, so from here you can see the product which is available. Let's choose this product, and let's choose any one of the customer, and let's do the payment now. Let's validate it. Now you can see that particular for this particular selected items there is a promo message. So for getting into that promo message which I have already created, you can see I have selected and flip over right away here, and I have chosen the description as the promo message, where you can see the same message on the receipt as well. Okay, so in this way we can make use of this module to display and promo message on the point of sale receipt as per the rules that we have defined. Thank you for watching.